There's the creature from the Black Lagoon.
Look at it over there.
There's the creature from the Black Lagoon looking for rock. He's looking for more rock.
Josh is looking for a stone for you.
Now he's behind the chair.
Yeah.
There he is. Hiding behind the chair.
Come on, cut it out.
Oh, now he's up on his hind legs.
I can't find this rock on the show.
There goes the Rockhound's boat after some more rocks. Don't go so fast, I can't catch up to you. There he is, making a turn around the island. Whoop, he disappeared.
Here he goes. Here he comes. Hey.
There he comes, back into view. The Rockhound's barge. Here he comes, coming into shore. And he shut off his motor. And if he don't, there, now he's backing out. He's going out to the Fantasy Island.
I don't know if you can do that.
Oh, there he goes. Not all the way out, just the Fantasy Island is the sailboat. He's turning too soon.
I think he's out of control.
Nah. The driver's out of control.
Yeah.
There he goes, around the boat. Around Fantasy Island. He disappeared. Pretty soon, there he is. Now turning back this way. Here he comes. Speeding for home.
Uh-oh.
Look out.
Oh,
Get out of the way.
he's speeding to the dock.
You better miss the dock. Oop, just missed it.
Whoa, he's go. Whoa, he's out of control.
Oh, there. Here he comes, back to shore with a load of rocks.
I don't know. He doesn't have, looks like he doesn't have any rocks.
He doesn't have any rocks. He's going on another mission.
This time a really hard one. That might jam all his circuit.
Look out, don't get him behind that boat or he's going to be gone.